Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 6th, and this is my pre-market analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the pound dollar just pretty much kept on drifting down, pretty much big old pump and then big old dump, it looks like. If we head up to the daily time frame and we take into consideration other dollar pairs, especially the euro dollar, then I think that this is likely is a wave one. I think this first pullback is a wave two. Then I think we have a one, two, three, four, five of three. So what I think is going on here is we just ended a trend for the wave three. More than likely, we're going to make some sort of a correction, probably for the bigger wave four, and then I think we're going to get another attempt up for a wave five. This is the daily time frame, so I would expect this to all take definitely probably more than a week to play out. Probably the wave five will go up and at least test the highs of the previous high on the daily and weekly time frame. So anyways, going down to the shorter time phase, that means that this is likely just a wave A of an ABC of four. It might not even be over yet either. It kind of almost looks like it could push down one more time to make a one, two, three, four, five of A. So definitely recommending shorts. At some point, we probably will get a pretty big pullback, which would be a correction to this whole move down for a wave B. And we'd likely get another pretty big push down for a wave C to complete the ABC of wave four, like what I was showing and drawing on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.